Just pick it gently. There you go. Start up here, maybe. You're getting it, buddy. You can do it. Good job, buddy.
Such focus. Such determination. Inside the yolk, that's right.
Wow, you're getting faster, bud. Great job. You did it. That's okay. Want to get the yolk out? Wow, Blake.
No.
Blake, this one was your best one yet. No, you didn't. You did a great job on this one, buddy. You didn't break anything on this one. This one was perfect.
Wow.
Whoa, you did a perfect job, buddy. Oh no, that cracked when it fell. That's okay though. You want to see what's in the yolk? Go ahead, over the sink. You can tear it apart. Keep it over the sink.
Look, what do you think about all this? You like cooking, Blake? Blake, you like to cook, honey?
Good job, bud. That's what a yolk looks like.
It's all yellow.
You want to taste it? Go ahead, you can taste it. What do you think?
You can eat it, honey, if you want. That was very cute. Oh, look at you. Good job, buddy. Want to say anything to the camera?